Collecting firewood in Paris, huh? I must be kidding, right? Look at my shirt. Do I look like I'm kidding? Welcome to Velvet and Toads, where you'll find 2 or 3 videos per month on everyday nature, home and garden in France, where I've lived for years with my French husband. I love foraging in France, and more recently, right here in Paris. As you may have gathered from my video last fall on collecting horse chestnuts in the Tuileries garden to make zero-waste laundry detergent. This year, with the temperature going up and down and having some real cold spells, we've decided to follow the example of a neighbor. No, not a troll living under the bridge, but an upstairs neighbor, a retired diplomat and published poet who used to collect firewood until he moved away. We miss him. Collecting free firewood down by the Seine is not something you can do year-long, and not even every year. But most years, the lower banks of the Seine flood. And at some point, when the flooding subsides, there's plenty of wood piled up, free for the picking. Oh wow, yeah, that one's perfect. Oopsie go. That one's perfect. Okay folks, so I think it's a guy thing, but Bruno's back there trying to stomp and break up great big long pieces of wood that are about this same diameter, but I guess guys just like to break things up instead of pick them up. I guess that's where they're hunters and gatherers, and I guess I'm more of a gatherer. Okay, so here we are, collecting firewood after the water's gone down. Well, time to head home. I think we've got as much as we can carry. For this trip at least. Taking a little break from carrying all this wood. There we have our wood stored next to the wine rack in the cellar until we can get to it. While Bruno starts the fire, I'll make some hot chocolate. Then we can sit back and enjoy the driest of the logs. We did spare one of the logs when we realized it had seedlings of some kind growing on it. Speaking of which, next time I'll be starting seeds with a friend at her place, so be sure to hit the notification bell.
We will start with the eggplant. Black Beauty, a wonderful eggplant. It's a
beautiful flowers.
Yes,
the flowers
exactly.
Of the eggplant.
Yeah,
I didn't realize that eggplants did have those kind of flowers.
and they're very good for kitchening. I mean, they are really good eggplant. That's why I choose this sort of it. And they are organic, without anything, and they are from Switzerland.